7th question we'll be discussing. First we will discuss, okay, second question Z, how to calculate Z, okay. Page number it is G17, okay. First you have to find the G, then 17. Okay, very difficult page numbers they have added this year. This is our 24 degree. This is 3y plus 5.
Have you started the recording?
Yes, I have started recording. It's recording now. Y plus 9 degree. And here we have the Z. Okay, remaining sides we have already calculated. A, B, C, D. Now see here we have to calculate. Page number G17. 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 So first find G, then 17. Okay. Okay. So we have to find Z. Okay. Y we have already calculated. Y plus 9 equal to 24 degree. They are, since it is a parallelogram, so we have alternate interior angles will be equal. These are the alternate interior angles, they are equal. So y plus 9 equal to 24. This we already calculated, y equal to 15 degree, y equal to 15. Okay, this we already calculated. Now how to calculate Z? Okay, so see here, this is the parallelogram A, B, C, D. This is Z degree. This angle plus this angle equal to 180 degree. This is clear. Angle DAB plus angle ABC equal to 180 degree. Why? In parallelogram, the adjacent angles are supplementary. In parallelogram, adjacent angles are supplementary. Okay. ABC we have Z degree, but DAB angle, how we can calculate DAB angle? This is 24, we already know, but this we don't know. So first we have to calculate this angle. This will be how much? Angle DAC. It will be how much? 3y plus 5 degree. Y value we already calculated, 15. So 3 into 15 plus 5. It will be how much? 45 plus 5? 50 degree. Okay. Angle DAC we have calculated. So angle DAB will be how much? Angle DAC plus angle CAB. That is 50 plus 24 degree. How much? 70. How much it will be? 74 degree. Okay. So we have calculated this angle is how much? 74 degree. Now can we calculate Z? 180 degree. So Z degree will be 180 degree minus 74 degree. 106 degree. And Z equal to how much? 106. Is this clear now? So first we have calculated angle DAB. Okay, from start what we have done? Angle DAB plus angle ABC is how much? 180 degree, because adjacent angles in parallelogram are supplementary. We have used this property of parallelogram. Okay. Now angle ABC is that degree.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, how that 74 degree came?
Okay, just listen, I'm telling that one. So angle DAB, we do not know the value of angle DAB. We do not know the value of angle DAB. We have to calculate angle DAB. Angle DAB what? Okay, just a minute. Angle DAB. This angle we have to calculate. It is what? Angle DAC plus angle CAB. This is clear. Angle DAB is what? Sum of these two angles. We have written here. CAB is what? 24 degree. But again, we do not know DAC. Please switch off your camera. Preeti, please switch off your camera. Angle DAC we have to calculate. We have to find angle DAC. So how to calculate DAC angle? It is given how much? 3y plus 5 degree. And y value we already know, 15 degree. So 3 into 15 plus 5, it will be how much? 50 degree. So angle DAB is what? 74 degree. This is how we calculate it. Okay. This angle plus this angle is angle DAB. 24 we already know. 3y plus 5 we do not know. But value of y we are having, that is 15 degree. We just put value of 5, y here, 3 into 15, 45 plus 5, 50 degree. So angle DAC 50 degree. 50 plus 24, 74 degree. We calculated angle DAB. Put here and we can calculate the value of Z, that is 106. Clear now? Okay, now do the third one. Go through it once. Try to do it. First, see how you can solve. Okay, then write the steps. One, just look at the figure for a few seconds, 30 to 1 minute. Look at the figure and what you have to calculate. Just try to figure out how you can do. Okay, then start doing the problem. Okay. So see here, this time what figure is given? First one. The parallelogram is there. Okay.
Sir, we will do 8th also.
8th we
Sir,
won't
it
be
is-
doing. Okay.
Sir,
Eighth
it
we
is
Sir,
won't
very
be doing.
question
Sir,
number
you
3 we
said
have to do
that
in
it-
notebook.
Yes, third question do it in notebook. It is a parallelogram. Okay. Forget
Sir,
about
sir,
it.
you
Is a
said that
trapezium.
it is excluded. Sir, you said that
Yes,
it
it's
is
fine. It's fine. We can do.
Sir,
We can do this one.
which question you are doing?
Third one, 11th third. Okay. 11th third. Okay. So it is a parallelogram. Now this and this. They are meeting at 90 degree. Okay. Don't consider it as a trapezium. We can solve it. Consider it as a parallelogram. Okay. This is 90 degree. And this is how much? 48 degree. This is y degree. Okay. Now x degree and z degree. X degree, z degree. Always draw a good size figure. Okay. Now we have to calculate. Okay. So now how to calculate? Okay. So consider here how we can calculate y. How we can calculate y? It is a triangle. Okay. So what we can do? I can write here.
Plus 90 degree plus y degree equals to 1.
A, B, C, D, A. Okay. Now in triangle A, B, E. This is one triangle. It is what kind of triangle? It is right angle triangle. And so sum of the interior angles. Sum of the interior angles will be how much? You can write the angles as well if you want. Angle EAB plus angle ABE plus angle BEA. It is how much? Sum of the interior angles of a triangle. Sum of the angles of a triangle, 180 degree. Okay. Angle EAB, 48 degree, 90 degree. Plus y degree plus 48 degree equal to 180 degree. Now sum of these two will be how much? 138 degree.
138 degree.
138 degree, 180 degree. So y degree will be how much? 42 degree, I think. 138.
Yes, sir.
Y degree is how much? 42 degree. And y equal to how much? 40. So we have calculated y. Any doubt in calculating y? Y is how much? Y degree is equal to 42 degree.
40 degree.
Okay. Now we have to calculate z. How can we calculate z?
Y degree
Is corresponding to y.
So, yes, any doubt till now? In y, any doubt you have? Anyone have doubt in calculating y?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we move for z. So there are many ways. Okay. So one way I'm telling first. First way how to calculate. See here, these two are parallel lines. One line. So these two angles are what?
Corresponding angles.
Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. So these y degree and z degree, they are corresponding angles. So angle ABE and angle BCD, they are corresponding angles. These two are the parallel lines. Therefore, these two are corresponding angles. So this z degree will be equal to how much? 42 degree.
42 degree.
Okay, this is one way. Second way, one way is clear. Second way, how to calculate. This is 42 degree. This angle will be how much? 130. How much?
138. 138 degree.
138 degree. Because angle on a line is 180 degree. So this will be how much? 138 degree. Okay. This will be how much? 138 degree. So now you can calculate adjacent angles are supplementary. So 138 degree plus z degree equal to 180 degree and z equal to 42 degree. That is second way. Both ways are clear. Both methods are clear. You can follow anyone. You can do using anyone. Preeti, please switch off your camera. Preeti, switch off your camera.
Sir, who is this Chris Gale?
Yes, sir. Who is this?
Cricket player.
Sir,
Preeti?
cricket player has joined the meeting.
Who is this cricket player? Preeti Kumawat, 8 Genia. Can you hear?
Sir, showing nature.
Yes, no need of showing that one. Preeti, can you hear me? Preeti, join the meeting again. If you're there. Okay. Okay, now it's fine. Okay. Now see here, Z we can calculate by using two methods. First method we already discussed. That is, they are corresponding angles. Okay. And the second one, we can calculate this angle EBC. Okay. Angle on the line is 180 degrees. So this will be 138 degree. And Z we can calculate then. Okay. Now we have to calculate X degree. How to calculate X degree?
Sir,
Okay. Okay. One method. These are opposite angles. Angles EBC and EDC. They are the opposite angles in parallelogram. And opposite angles in parallelogram are equal. So this will be how much? 138 degree. Okay, one method.
138
Second
degree.
method, 138 degree. Second method, these two angles are supplementary. These two angles are supplementary. Angle BCD and angle CDE. They are supplementary. This way as well, we can calculate both methods. Okay, so solve it for 1 minute. Solve it for 1 minute, then we move to next question. Okay.
it is correct or not?
Okay, I'm not able to see it here. Y degree, Y degrees. Corresponding angles. Okay, see here. When you write corresponding angles, which are the corresponding angles? X is not a corresponding angle. Okay, you have to write these two angles are corresponding angles. Therefore, Z degree equal to Y degree equal to 42 degree. Okay, so how to write? I provide one step here. See here, angle DCB okay equal to angle EBA. Here you write corresponding angles. Okay, DCB is what? Z degree equal to Y, that is 42 degrees. So DCB is what? Z degree. And angle EBA is what? 42 degree. Or Z equal to 42. This is clear? Here you write corresponding angle. So we know why they are equal, because they are corresponding angle. 188 minus 100. That is fine. Okay, this is fine. Okay. Okay, now do the next question. First, look at the figure, draw the figure, and look at the figure for a minute, and then solve it. How you can solve? First, figure it out. Then start writing the steps. Okay. Don't simply start. Okay. So next question. What kind of figure is given?
Rhombus.
Rhombus. Why it is a rhombus?
Rhombus.
Sir, because
all sides are equal and
all sides are equal. All sides are equal.
All sides are equal and parallel. Are all the sides parallel? Opposite sides are parallel. So this is how we denote. These two sides, single arrow, double arrow. So these two are parallel, and they all are equal. They all are equal. Okay, so it's a rhombus. We can mark 75 degree and x degree. This is 75 degree. Here we have the x degree. And what more is given? 13 centimeter. Preeti and Anjali, please switch off the camera. 13 degree y plus.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, some cricketers names one person is joining again and again. Sir, Virat Kohli, Chris Gayle like this.
Okay, Tony Stark. So they are the class of students only.
Sir, Tony Stark also.
Yes,
Yes,
they
sir.
are.
Tony Stark. Iron Man.
Okay. Okay, let them be there. Okay. Okay, see here. The attendance won't be taken if they don't write their correct name. Okay. So this is the figure. Okay. This is the figure. This is the rhombus given. And what we have to calculate? Value of y and x. Okay. So first, what should we calculate? So first, let's go for the side. So in rhombus, sides are equal. Therefore, you can name them as A, B, C, D. So AB equal to BC. Okay, reason all sides in rhombus are equal. All sides of rhombus are equal. So AB is how much? Or you can write in BC equal to AB as well. No issue. So BC is what? Y plus 4 centimeter equal to 13 centimeter. From both the sides, centimeter get cancelled. We are having y plus 4 equal to 13. And y equal to how much? 13 minus 4. Y equal to how much? 9. Value of y is 9. Don't write 9 centimeters because centimeter already got cancelled. Value of y is 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 centimeter. So value of BC is 13 centimeter as well. Same size one. So value of 9 is y. We have calculated y. Now how to calculate x? A is given. So angle ABC. Okay, 1 minute, I write one. Yes, Piyush, are you having any doubt? Angle DAB plus angle ABC. These are how much? Their sum is 180 degree. Because these two angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles in rhombus are supplementary. Okay, same property as that of parallelogram. It's a parallelogram. Okay, so angle DAB plus angle ABC equal to 180 degree. Angle DAB how much? 75 degree. Angle ABC how much? X degree. Now we can calculate X degree.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, why have you written BC is equals to AC?
Okay, what kind of figure is this? See here in this figure, you can see those two lines.
जीजी खुद ना कौन समझ सके आपके तो कपड़ा लेती लेती मानी किताब पर पड़ी
Okay, can you see these lines? These two lines, small lines. See here, when a figure is given like this, okay, and if it is written like this, it means these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal, okay?
Sir, but AC is not a side.
Okay, not AC, not AC. It is BC. BC equal to AB. Okay, sorry for that. BC equal to AB. AB it is, okay? AC is the diagonal, okay? Okay, BC equal to AB. It is BC equal to AB. And here, all sides are equal. It is provided in question. Two lines, two smaller lines, two small lines. Okay, this is clear now. Now calculate x degree. X degree will be how much? 105
105.
degrees.
105.
And x value will be how much? 105. Degree on both sides get cancelled. We are getting x equal to 105. Okay, so
Sir?
value of x is 105. Yes.
Sir, if degree is not written, the answer is correct.
We should not write degree here. See here, it is written like this. X degree is equal to how much? 105 degree. Now value of x, degree on both sides get cancelled. 105. Value of x is 105. And what is the value of this angle? Put the value of x. It will be how much? 105. Then degree. So this angle is how much? 105 degree. Have you understood? Value of x is 105. So
Yes, sir.
instead of x, in place of x, put 105. So we'll be having 105 and then degree. Okay. Now, if in question, for example, it is written only x here. Okay. If it is written only x, so there will be no degree here, no degree here. So x will be how much? 105 degree. Understood this one? X will be how much? 105.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
so depending on the question. Okay, everyone clear? Okay, go for next one.
Sir, there was Z also.
That is there.
Yes, sir. Z.
Okay.
Yes, sir. You rubbed the figure.
Sir, Z
Okay,
is
here we have
105
the
degree
X.
opposite angles. Opposite angles.
They are opposite angles. So Z as well will be Z degree equal to X degree because they are opposite angles in rhombus. Opposite angles in rhombus are equal. So Z degree will be how much? 105 degrees. Z will be how much? 105. Okay. Okay, now do the next one. First look at the figure, then see how you can solve, then you start doing. Draw the figure and see how you can do this one. Always draw good sized figure. Okay. Next one is what figure? It is written as well, rectangle.
Sir, the video is not clear.
Okay.
Sir, clear.
Clear? Okay, then check your connection once. Or you can join again.
Sometimes it is not clear.
Okay, then it's the connection at your end. Okay. Okay. A rectangle is provided here. So 40 degree X and Z degree. 40 degree X, Y, and Z. This is there. X, that one X. Okay. X, Y, Z, degree. Okay. So this is the figure A, B, C, D, and a center O we have. So it is a rectangle. It is a rectangle. Okay. So properties of rectangle, what are they? Opposite sides are equal and
Equal and parallel.
okay. Now
Sir,
there's
it is not a square.
it's
Sir,
a
it is not.
rectangle. It's written there. Rectangle. Okay. And see here, adjacent sides meet at right angle. So this is how much? 90 degrees. This angle will be how much? 90 degree. This angle 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. Diagonals are equal, as well they bisect each other. Diagonals are equal, they bisect each other. But remember, diagonals in rhombus and square. In rhombus and square, diagonals also bisect the angle. Okay, in rhombus and square only, the diagonals bisect the angle and they meet at right angle at 90 degree. In rhombus and square only. Okay, this is the property. Now we have to calculate y degree. How we can calculate y degree? So diagonals, they bisect each other. Therefore, they will be equal. Okay, this is 40 degree. Then this will be how much?
50 degrees.
It will be 50 degree. It will be 50 degree. Okay. So how you can write? Okay. Angle DAB equal to 90 degree because it's an angle of rectangle. Angle, okay, DAB. Now this will be 90 degree. Angle DAB can be written as angle DAO plus angle OAB equal to 90 degree. This angle plus this angle is how much? 90 degree. This angle plus this angle DAO. This angle plus angle OAB is how much? 90 degree. Angle DAO we have to calculate. This angle we have, so angle DAO plus 40 degree equal to 90 degree. Angle DAO is how much? 50 degree. So we have calculated this angle. Okay. Now how we can proceed further? What kind of triangle is this one?
Sir, isosceles.
Isosceles triangle. The reason is there. See here. In rectangle, diagonals are equal as well they bisect each other. So triangle AOD is an isosceles triangle. Okay. So angles opposite to the equal sides will be equal as well. So angle D, okay, not D, angle ADO will be equal to angle DAO equal to angle 50 degree equal to 50 degree, or you can write it here.
Sir,
Angle, yes.
Sir, what reason you have written that triangle AOD is an isosceles
It's an
triangle?
isosceles triangle. Is an isosceles triangle. Okay. What is the reason? Because AO equal to OD. Because AO equal to OD. These two sides are what? So see here, in rectangle, the diagonals bisect each other. The diagonals are equal, they bisect each other. That means these all four will be equal. AO will be equal to OD. And these are the two sides of this triangle. So this is an isosceles triangle. Reason you can write AO equal to OD. That's fine. AO equal to OD. Okay. So angles opposite to the equal sides will be equal. This is 50 degree. Therefore, this angle is how much? 50 degree. Okay. We have calculated. Okay. Now Z you can calculate. It will be how much? 40 degree. That is
40 degree.
90 minus 50 degree. Okay. Z we have calculated. Okay. How we can calculate Y in this triangle? This is 50, this is 50. Y will be how much?
80.
Angle sum property of the
80
triangle.
degrees.
It will be
80 degree.
It will be 80 degree. Angle sum property in the triangle. Okay. Now, how we can calculate X? Many ways are there. One way you can see this side, this side, this side. This is 50 degree. This will be how much? X degree. This is 50 degree. These two are parallel. This is 50 degree.
Sir,
This will be as well.
sir, how Z
Yes.
came 40 degrees? Z, sir, Z, how came 40
Okay.
degree?
How came 40? Okay. So see here, Okay, I write here first blue I use. Okay, for Z I'm using blue color. Okay, so angle ADC, it is how much? 90 degree. Angle ADC is how much? 90 degree. Okay, angle ADC we can write angle ADO. Angle ADO plus this angle plus this angle ODC. Angle ODC equal to how much? 90 degree. Angle, this angle plus this angle, ADO plus ODC. Okay. Angle ADO is how much? 50 degree. We have already calculated. Angle ODC is what? Z degree equal to 90 degree. Z degree equal to 90 degree minus 50. That is 40 degree. Okay. As you can see here, this whole angle is 90. If this is 50, the remaining will be 40 degree. Okay, understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How y is 80 degree for 80 degree?
How y is 80 degree? So see here, we are having triangle. In triangle AOD, this angle plus this angle plus this angle. So angle DAO plus angle AOD plus angle ODA equal to how much? 180 degree. This angle plus this angle plus this angle is how much? 180 degree. This is the triangle. So angle sum property of the triangle, 180 degree. This angle is how much? 50 degree. AOD, this is y degree. Angle ODA, again 50 degree, 180 degree. So y degree plus 100 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Y degree equal to 180 minus 100, 80 degrees. So y
80
equal to how
degree.
much? 80.
80
Y equal
degree.
to- Yes, y degree equal
Sir,
to
how?
So y will be how much? 80. And here
Sir,
z will be
how
how much? Yes, how?
X came?
How x came, okay? Y and z are clear. We'll discuss x, okay? Y and z are clear. Anyone have doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, y is 80, z is
Oh,
40.
sir.
Okay? Okay, now we discuss x. So, see, there are many ways. So, first way I'm telling, first way is what? These two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel, and this is one line intercepting, cutting both these lines. So, you can see here somewhere A, here D, here B, here C. You can see these two lines are there, these two lines. This is a line cutting these two lines. If this is 50 degree, this will be how much? 50 degree,
50 degree.
Alternate angle.
because they are alternate interior
And
angles.
also.
They are alternate angles, okay? So x degree equal to 50 degree, x equal to 50. That is one way. Second way, how you can calculate? If this angle is 40 degree, this angle as well will be 40 degree, because this is an isosceles triangle. So this remaining will be 90 minus 40, 50 degree. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, now
No,
look
sir.
at this sixth question and try to do that sixth question.
Another way to find X.
Okay, two methods I already told. More you can say anyway.
Sir, angle opposite to y is equals to also 80 degree.
This is 40. Okay, this is 80. This will be 80 degree. Now this is an isosceles triangle. 50 degree, 50 degree. That way as well you can calculate. Any method you can use. Anyway. Okay. Okay, now next question. See the next question.
Sir, now time over.
Okay, next question we do, then we leave. Okay. This
Sir,
question will solve
except
and
8th, anything is cutted.
last two 14th and 15th. 14th and 15th.
So they are cutted?
Yes, proofs are not there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So next question, see, it's a square. It's a square. A, B, C, D.
Only X, Y, Z given.
We can calculate. Okay. Because information is given x square, x degree,
Time hours.
z degree, and y degree. This is the last question we'll be solving, okay? And it's a square given. So now how you can calculate? Z, can you tell what will be the value of Z?
45 degree because diagonal bisect the angle.
Yes. See here simply you can say what is there? A, C,
Sir,
and
X
B,
is
T.
45.
Okay, 1 minute. It's very easy question. AC and BD, they are diagonals, and diagonals they meet at right angles. So see a property of in square. Diagonals meet at 90 degree. They bisect each other. They as well bisect the angles. Diagonals as well bisect the angles in square and rhombus. Okay. So Z degree equal to how much? 90 degree.
90.
Z equal to 90. Okay, reason? Diagonals in squares meet at right angle. Diagonals in square meet at right angle. Okay. Now, x degree will be how much? 45 degree.
45
X equal
degree.
to 45. Reason? Diagonals bisect the angles. Diagonals bisect the angles. So this whole angle is 90 degree. X will be how much? 45. Again,
45.
similarly here, y degree equal to 45.
Y also 45.
Y equal to 45 because diagonals bisect the angle. Easy question. If you
Yes,
remember
sir.
the properties.
Yes, sir.
But there is a condition. If you remember the properties. Okay. Okay, so we stop here. Tomorrow, see here. If Y get replaced today, the class will be at 9. Okay. So in evening by 6, I'll provide the link. If the link is for the morning class, then attend the morning class. If the link is for 12:30, attend at 12:30. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is for trial. Okay. So today or tomorrow it will get replaced. Any doubt you have, you can ask. And those
Sir,
who
can you
don't have
repeat?
doubt, they can
Sir,
leave. Yes.
sir, which questions are excluded? Sir, which questions are
Okay.
excluded?
See a question
14th
excluded
and
are
15th.
11th question, 8th question. In 11th, 8th part. Okay. But that as well we will do. Okay. Okay, it is excluded.
Sir, then why it is excluded?
It won't be an exam. Okay.
Sir, third is also excluded. Sir, third.
Third is not excluded. We haven't told that this is trapezium. Rather than as a parallelogram, we have solved. Okay. So no need of that one. Third is not excluded. Only 8th is excluded. And now 14th and 15th. 14th and 15th are excluded. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, that we will not
Okay.
do now.
No, we won't do. 14th and 15th we won't do.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Okay. Then,
repeat. Sir, repeat y degree is
Thank you, sir.
condition.
yes, y degree equal to 45 degree. That one.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. See here in square. Okay, you can leave those. No doubts. They can leave the class. In square,
Thank you, sir.
the diagonals bisect
Thank
the
you,
angle.
sir.
This whole is
Thank you,
90
sir.
degree. So
Yes, sir.
diagonal bisect the angle. This means it will be 45 degree, 45 degree. This will be 45 degree, 45 degree. So y degree equal to 45 degree. Y will be how much? 45. Understood now? The diagonals bisect each other. The diagonals meet at right angle. They bisect the angles as well. And here they meet at right angles, 90 degree.
Okay, sir.
Okay then. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
As well, there is one more thing you can see. This is 45 degree, this is 45 degree. This will be 90. Yes or no? These two are 45 degree, this will be 90 degree. That way as well you can see. Okay, thank you all.